Alright guys, so we gotta get going. They're like showering up and shit, and I know a guy at a tire shop over here. I went over to get a couple tires that were just popped on one of the cars that we have to get replaced. Well, I noticed a set of kind of like rally tires. Got me thinking Uncle Chet needs an advantage on the tire situation. So we're gonna go get those two, and at least I'll have a decent set of tires for this one. See what I'm saying? Pretty aggressive, I like that one. This should be good in the dirt, right?
What is going on?
I'm racing PT Cruisers today.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. All right, so we got the cheater set of tires, and yeah, sorry, I'm still messing with my controller. Had to rig that up the other day, it broke on me. Now we're heading back to the house, pick up the guys, and then we're mobbing all 5 of the PT Cruisers that are at my house right now that have no glass in them. All the way down about 30 miles down to the track. So that should be pretty interesting, a pretty fun sight to see. And we have to like wear goggles because there's no windshields. And we're going on the freeway. All right, so we got to pick up a few things to strip the cars out right now. There's actually Torx heads, and a few oddball bits and ends that we need to get that make the job a little bit easier and quicker. So head to your local Harbor Freight. I'm more of a deerskin kind of guy.
I like cowhide.
Why is it so tight? Yes. Yes.
My God, did you guys have a blowout last night or what?
Dude, I saw your Instagram story. Don't you ever speak to me again. It's bad.
Start talking to me. Tell me all about it. Idiot. God, I can't stand my guy. Is this what you want?
Now.
Oh, oh, yeah.
Is that 5 seats fucking up that bad?
You can't talk right now. You're a bitch.
Over here.
He hates us. 941. No.
What?
You know I got the premium account.
Dude, I am literally a member.
Is there a better account than that account?
I have a coupon book. You don't have a coupon book?
No, because I'm VIP.
It's called couponing.
Hey,
Look it up.
Hey, it's called VIP Coops. I pay $500 a year for it. I saved $14 last year.
20 minutes later.
I figured I'd hook up my community and get an HOA approved commercial air machine.
For bicycles.
This is faster than those Makita pumps. I didn't even know if it worked.
And it gets you right to the
35. These are definitely the cars that they just be driven and they don't check air for like a year till the tire pops. You could have popped his airbag. I cannot wait to get these assholes away from my house.
Service around here really sucks.
Stop! Hit it again! Idiot.
Jim's probably stressing a little bit, huh?
I don't know why. We have this covered. We already have 6. We've lied to him and said we have 9. Yeah.
Jim's calling.
Don't answer.
Really?
Say I'm driving. I can't hear you very well. Make wind noise.
Hey. Yo, we're on our way.
Hey, fucker. Come out to see these fucking PT Cougars, pieces of shit. Wreck. I need my wallet, actually. Let's move along. Let old people get the fuck out of the road. That's my mom.
This is his parents' house. They were just away for the weekend.
Yeah.
Jarek, I got the jack for you. Yeah, load it up. You don't mind? Let's go. You don't mind carrying it? We're good to go now.
So funny every time. Every time.
Took all my lug nuts off.
Do you need these?
No, but I don't think so. Somebody might.
We took all the lug nuts off this one.
I didn't know it'd fall off that fast. Oh, you have the jack in your car. I wonder why. Quit fucking around. Do your maintenance, Jarek. We're gonna be late because of you now. Oh, I thought it came off. Hold on.
I was worried about this happening, so I brought some spare lug
You got
nuts.
extras? Thanks. You got a torques? You got something to torque? Here we go.
The four-way's in the back of this car. I was worried about this happening, Jared.
That's why we put the jack in his car.
Yeah, someone forgot to put Loctite on these for sure.
Jim is not going to be happy that we're late because of you now. That's a proper way to put a tire on. Why don't you keep all that in your car?
Okay.
What happened?
You didn't tighten his lug nuts.
He skipped lug nut day.
On the fresh grass. Hey, three-way race. Three-way race.
There was so much trash blowing out, like it was.
I was gonna take a rock to the face.
Oh, I did.
When you start laying power to that one, she's got a good.
Dude, your rear end is fucking
Dude, the tire
swap.
just doing this.
It just hustle. Oh, so Robert went pick these up last night on the west side, and then we couldn't get into the gate, so we just parked at valet all night, right next door to the track. We split that between you guys?
Yes, sir.
Between
Thank
two?
you.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Can I watch you break your windows?
Not here, not here.
These are actually really. It'd be such a shame if somebody missed them.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, they're good. Look how strong they are. Hey, what's valet doing in my car?
Hey, over here. Hey, here's a little souvenir for you.
We successfully got the cars here. Now we got to start stripping them out. I didn't think we would make them, all of them here, and they actually did. I was like worried looking back the whole time, thinking, oh my God, everybody's still coming. They're still coming. Nobody broke down, nobody overheated. And now our glass guy pulled up at the exact perfect timing. So now we're gonna start stripping them out right there in that big dumpster over there. You ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm gonna go take it now.
Okay, good call. That's J.H. Diesel, he's a mechanic. He knows what he's doing. Yeah, buddy. Watch out. How have I not met you before? Who gave him the keys?
You just gotta make sure it works.
I feel like people are on drugs again and I wasn't offered any. Oh, fuck. Anybody need PT Cruiser parts? We're right off I-10 and Wild Horse Pass. So you know I used to install car stereos at Circuit City until I was fired for being too rough by customer vehicles. It's so funny how like once you go through these cars, then like you'll know them forever. Not that we'll ever need to know them ever again. Like I know Crown Vic, I know 99 Chevy products, all the interior, how to pull them all apart, all that bullshit. I know you're just a diesel mechanic, but I do everything. Ah, no luck. Got you, fucker. Do you know any tubers that are sponsored by Harbor Freight? I think I would be the perfect half-ass mechanic for Harbor Freight. I could be the face of Harbor Freight. I'm the guy that never needs a warranty and I won't even wear out a Harbor Freight tool. Goddamn, jumped up and bit me. There's the gap right here. We're gonna do this. That's me in the PT Cruiser right there.
Got that?
Got that. I don't know why I kicked a little sideways there. It made me a little nervous. We're gonna fucking sand it.
Why PT Cruisers out of everything you could choose?
I don't know, we came across them as kind of just an untouched market of cheap cars. Look at this. Oh, it popped, hold on. Hey! Buff right out. Oh, this is my car.
You check your lug nuts?
You hot, buddy? Take one.
Ooh, what is this?
What do we got here?
There you go. Oh, wow.
Y'all working hard out here, man. Where's Cheyenne?
All the lights,
I think he's over there. Big time with us.
You enjoying your popsicle?
Spiders.
Oh, and this one.
I like the faster.
Let's go cruise up to the front. Fuck around. We own this fucking place.
I need 4 tires.
Hey, what's this car full of fucking dudes?
Excuse me. Hey! This is for the big boys over there. That's not even for anybody other than the big boys.
Are you feeling okay about this?
Yeah.
Because you already told me.
I've made my peace. I made my phone calls to my family, and I'm good.
Just don't come up short on that one.
I mean, I might lift a little. Shrek over there messing up the side of the nicely groomed berm.
So a guy just did this in Travis's side-by-side. He just broke his nose and a couple ribs. You'll be fine.
Here's the deal. We're not fucking idiots, Cheyenne. We're not doing this.
The fucking error of you're fucked is very, very large, okay? Very severe, but if you did it, you know me, I like records. Underwater Tesla, longest PT jump. I mean, what's the longest PT jump out there? That's not ghost ridden. I don't think it's probably even documented.
And it's a little, it's less than this.
We're not making any of these. Dude, I just got up to speed out there. I was like, I'm fine. I was going 50 on the fucking road. If I stayed on throttle and jumped and it revved out, I think it'll literally, as soon as I hit, this is gonna blow the fucking the whole engine transmission right out the bottom. There's your bead lock. Lost one of these on a PT Cruiser one time. Whoo, that was a nasty wreck. Hey, Skippity. Come here. I like this danger here. Let's let him skip on his way up here. Where do you even get a shirt like that? As soon as flame would touch it, it'd melt to your skin.
And
Yeah, he does kind of look majestic right now. Remember how I said I wasn't gonna let him in my house? I reconsidered, now I'm reconsidering.
You fucking got this time. Don't be a bitch.
I figured it out, who Jim is. JH, Animal, Macho Man, Randy Savage had a baby, Jim York. All right guys, so we're finally done with today at Wild Horse Pass. We got all the cars prepped, pulled all the glass and pulled everything out of them. And now finally walking the track, it's changed a little bit. And it's actually gotten better than what it was yesterday, and I don't think any of these cars are gonna make it through here. We have no cages, no harnesses, and that's about it. We have our helmets and maybe some guys have Hans devices, so, just kind of winging it out here. But it's gonna be pretty amazing. These cars are totally unique, and they've never seen these things, on a track like this before, or perform, or do anything. And with this group of people, it's gonna get pretty rowdy. So I know a couple of the guys are those type of guys that just, they're missing that switch that we all have of there's no way in hell, and then they look at it and go, yeah, I can do it. So that should be interesting to see if anybody really actually goes for the big jumps and actually can make it, you know, go big or go home. I have one more PT Cruiser to find. I'm actually looking at a turbo one, and maybe I'll throw that one to Jim York, because he kind of seems like he really wants to try the longer jumps and see if that's enough power to get him over it. So we're gonna go try to wrangle that one up right now, actually, and start prepping it tonight at my house, and be back here early tomorrow and be back at it again. So that is probably gonna be another day chilling with Chet.
이거 이제 아, 이왕 꽂잖아.